Week 4, Hands-on AI Project. Welcome to Week 4 of our AI course. This week is all about doing it yourself. You'll create your own simple AI project, a chatbot, or a text generator. A chatbot is a computer program that can talk with people. You might have seen one on a website that helps answer questions or gives you information. A text generator is a tool that can help write stories, emails, or ideas based on what you type. In this session, you'll learn how to build and test one of these tools using easy, beginner-friendly platforms. Don't worry, you don't need to know any coding. You'll follow simple steps to create your own AI that can respond to messages or generate text. You'll also get to test it, see how it replies, and make small changes to improve it. This is your chance to see how AI can be both useful and creative. By the end of Week 4, you'll have built your own AI project, understand how chatbots and text generators work, and feel more confident using AI in real life. Congratulations on reaching the final week. You've learned what AI is, how it works, where it's used, and now, how to create it yourself. This is just the beginning of your journey with AI, and the skills you've learned will help you in work, learning, and everyday life.